Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing today? Special greetings to everyone watching this video right now, and giving a special greetings to everyone who has subscribed to this YouTube channel. Sincerely, you are an indirect sponsor. Let me put it that way. You are a sponsor to this YouTube channel with your subscription. So thank you for being a great sponsor. And for those that are watching or coming to this YouTube channel for the very first time, I want to say thank you for coming around. Thank you for watching my videos. I want to also remind you that there are several videos I've made in the past that cut across how to write a job within CV. You can, and it's a step-by-step guide to doing that. Some of the videos I've done in the past are step-by-step guides, so that you don't miss your way when you're trying to work things out or try things yourself. So I just want to mention something very quickly today. Okay, first of all, if you're aware for the very first time, don't forget to be a part of this channel with your subscription, and I can assure you that you're going to get value for your subscription. Value for your subscription is guaranteed. Okay, so very quickly today, I just want to show you something. Now, I know that the UK has been very challenging for a lot of people. Maybe as dependents, it's been challenging because there are different rules. There are different immigration rules that is making migrating with your family quite difficult, and I know that this is one of the reasons a lot of people that wants to relocate are considering Canada, Luxembourg, Australia, New Zealand, and several other places. Now, some of the places I just mentioned now, I have done some videos about them explaining the opportunities available in these countries. Canada has opportunities in Alberta, precisely. Alberta Health Services are currently recruiting, and I've shared the step-by-step guide to this recruitment. Now, Canada is also bringing in workers. All of this video, I don't have every one of them up here, but I know I have them in my YouTube channel. Please, after watching this video, you can take your time and watch this video. I can assure you that by the time you watch this video, you will notice that there are some of them that you can watch or you can start applying for. I also shared about Australia. For those that have skills, you have trade skills, you have trade experience, you have professional experience, either you're a graphics designer, you are an accountant, you are into whatever field you are, even if you are a bricklayer, you're a welder, you're a painter, whatever job you're doing as a trader or as a professional skill person, you can apply for a job in Australia. Australia is quite different from several other countries because you have to go through the assessment route. Now, you have to, your information, your document, that experience and that skill you say that you have, they need to assess it. So once the assessment is successful, trust me, you can apply to Australia or New Zealand. You will not be disturbed, no hindrance, as long as your assessment is successful. Some of these videos I've shared in my YouTube channel. Please guys, take your time to watch these videos. Okay, so today I just want to mention to you, I got a break from my YouTube page about a month ago or thereabout, over a month ago. That's precisely between late January now, I think January 29th or thereabout. And I've gone for a break, and I said I was going to come here to share with you what the break is all about. Now, the good news is the break went well, and all I've gone to do is to tie the knot if you know what that means. I've just gone to tidy knots. I've gone to do the needful as regards my partner. So I've just traveled down to Mari. I've got a lot of calls, a lot of message, especially for those that knows me personally. I'm like, guy, you're in UK, we saw your picture, you're married, then in just few days we are confused about your social media presence. So I'll be like, doesn't matter. What matters is that I'm able to do what I want to do. And for those that care to know, they send message, they send DM. And of course I know I was always going to share this on my platform because it's me and my partner. So today I'm just telling you that what happened that period was that I went to tie the knot. I went to marry my wife. I went to marry that speciality that God has blessed me with. The Bible says that he that finds a wife finds a good thing and obtain favor from God. I know that this season a special favor has joined my. I know I'm highly favored already, but now another favor from God joined my favor. Favor is doubled. Okay, so I am doing this video so that I would at one point or the other be making some videos with my wife. Of course, all of this video is to equip you either for growth and development, either for relocation, either for lifestyle, either for personal use. I can assure you that every of the video that you've been getting, that you are getting, and that you're still going to get will be of good help to you. So guys, in my next video I should be showing you, or I will be showing you, apart from jobs opportunities that are available, I'm going to be showing you the face of my wife, that special lady. Okay, so I'm going to show you her face, then subsequently you'll be seeing her in some of my videos, and that's about that. But in this video I will not forget to share this important information. I know a lot of people are looking for job, especially remote jobs now. If you need a remote job, I'm just going to be showing you in this video how to get a remote job, apart from using LinkedIn, some of the well-known job platforms. This particular platform I'm going to be sharing with you on my screen is a work from home alone, and you can do this from across every part of the world. So just stay tuned to this video while I take you to the step by step into how to apply for jobs, remote jobs precisely, on this website. I won't forget to also mention that if you're an employer and you need a remote worker, you need someone who can work for you remotely irrespective of your location, you can also benefit from this website, because you can also register as an employer and you share the opportunity that is available. Then you wait for somebody who wants that role and the person will apply. So guys, just stay tuned to this video and let me show you one of the websites where you can get a work from home job. Stay tuned with me. Okay, so welcome back guys. So here is the website, weworkremotely.com, and this is it. Don't worry, I'm going to drop this website in the comment section. Just check out that website there. So when you get it, you can see that all of the remote jobs includes any remote position not already categorized. Find new remote career like remote teaching jobs, analyst role, and many more. And this website is trusted by world leading companies like Google, Amazon, GitHub, Basecamp, Envision, among others. Okay, so now get new all other remote job. You can subscribe to this so you get notification if there are new jobs here. Now some of the new jobs here are, you can see Stone Press needs a contract B2B content writer, and this position is available for anyone in the world. The same thing with Tunix, online English tutor. So if you're an English tutor, you can be an online English tutor by just clicking this button and applying for this role, showing your interest. You also have other opportunities like senior symphony developer, senior data analyst, you can see. But this particular one is needed by an organization in the US, and it's a full-time job role. Then the online English teacher again is a contract job, and you can do that from anywhere in the world. A content writer, you can also do that from anywhere in the world. You're a freelancer writer, to simplify legalese. You can do all of these things from anywhere in the world. Some are specific, like this data engineer or data science. Now you see it's a full-time role, but you have to be in maybe Europe, Canada, UK, Asia, and all of that. Now for senior data analyst, is a full-time role anywhere in the world. So imagine seeing all of these job roles. You can see several of them, and they are fully remote jobs. Cloud security engineers, you can see the dates some of these jobs are posted. You can see bookkeeping and inventory remote role starts ASAP. You can see that project manager, you can see student representatives, and you can see that that's it from Edu Opinion, contract researcher from anywhere in the world. So let's look at this. For example, this is a remote student representative, and here you get to read about the job role. You can see the responsibilities, that is, think creatively about new ways to engage students through online and offline channels, encourage students and alumni to share their honest opinion regarding their studies, provide feedback on challenges and opportunities. This is not a big deal for anybody to do, and you can see the qualification. It means you enjoy talking to students and grade about higher education, experiencing an understanding of social media platforms, motivated self-starter who takes initiative. And what's your benefit? Partners set their own schedule and are paid based on performance. Do you see that? It's fully remote team, hands-on experience with social media marketing, online networking, and campaign performance dashboard. If this role is good for you, just click the apply for this position. Then you move forward to other process of the application. Other jobs are there, you can see. So if you want to post a job, you can also see this. You might have to be registered, but you can post a job for maybe as low as $299. But of course there shall be inquiry, there shall be things needed, document for you to maybe submit to be sure that you have a business that you are equipping people for, or that you are employing people for. So you can see all of this. So now looking to another role here, let's just look for another role. Let's say iOS developer. You can see Cyprus, Greece, or remote anywhere in the world. You can also do iOS developer. You can see this. So all you have to do is to click that, look at the job responsibilities, the main requirement. You can see this require a BSc or MSc in computer science, engineering, or any other relevant degree, plus 2 years experience on iOS development, Swift and iOS SDK, Xcode, API human interface guidelines, and so on. You can see benefit, attractive remuneration, and all of that. It's a full-time job role. So if you need a full-time job, you can just visit this website, look for what is good for you, and you know what, check it out, give it a try. And that is all for this video. If you have any question, any inquiry, please drop your comment, your inquiry in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to your inquiries. So guys, I haven't watched that video. I believe it's of good value. So don't forget to share that video with people around you who need remote job. Are you a student? Are you a professional? Are you skilled in IT and several other? This video is for you. You can also share with people in that field with you. Let them be part of this movement. Let them be part of this job opportunity, and share it to family and friends who can also, or who will also like to work from home, irrespective of their location. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already, and I'm going to see you again in my next video. Bye guys.